Sustainable, green, at renewable energy. Ininangeniing mag-power ka ring aduwa na pang building ng LausGroup of Companies o LGC. In Carworld, Pampanga at Corporate Guarantee kay Ciudad San Fernando. Partine inining metong ka ring core values na ning kumpanya, in social responsibility.
You know, everybody talks about sustainability, diba? ESG, environment, their social responsibilities as well as governance. And you know, we really wanted to embrace it as a company and organization. So we have been trying our very best on introducing so many things, no, whether internal, customer or employee engagements. But this is one of the big projects.
Agpangking chairman and CEO na ning LGC ay Elisat Laos Velasco, balaw siyang kumpanya king pamaninton paralan bangdang asulong ing pamaningat keng kalikasan.
We know naman how it is to convert to solar energy. It takes a lot of effort as well as a lot of needed resources. But we finally made it, and it actually gave me goosebumps, no, that right now one of our flagship companies, our flagship company, Carworld, is now solar powered together with Corporate Guarantee and of course our Metro Manila dealership for Libis.
May daw ni solar power station ceremony inyang Lunes, December 18. Kay panimuna ring executive committee ng LGC ating solar panel provider of Philergy German Solar. Pamagbida na naman ng managing partner ng Philergy German Solar ay Johan Stodter, pinili ring solar component sa makakapag-perform ng tropical environment na atin keting bansa.
This is the highest quality solar system you can avail. Performs fully automatic, there are no maintenance costs, and you have a lifespan of over 30 years, which is actually also under warranty.
Katumbas na ning 6,100 tonelada ng carbon dioxide ing ma-eliminate at pamananam 38,000 tanaman balang banwa ing pamangamit clean at renewable energy ning LGC.
Yeah, it's a huge honor. We are very grateful. LausGroup of Companies is a huge company with a great magnitude, and we are very impressed that they pioneer now in such a way to foster sustainability. And the message to the management is that I'm very grateful that they take the responsibility, and we do everything we can support in their journey now as a partner in renewable energy.
Agkatana nomang Laos Velasco ring sabla, ang makisan metong kimpamanyaw king kalikasan.
I guess nakikita na po natin, no, na ang nangyayari sa ating environment, weather situations, whether globally and locally. Sa tag-ulan, tagtuyo tayo. Sa tagtuyo tayo, tag-ulan tayo. Maraming baha, maraming mga nangyayaring natural calamities. So, you know, if we can, why not? Diba? It doesn't have to be solar panels right away. There can be more. We can recycle, we can think of ways and means by just changing our bulbs to LED. That's already helping the environment, diba? So I guess it really depends on the need and what we can offer our planet kahit papaano.
Samantala, asahan naman ko ng mas dakal pang installation na ng solar panel system king LGC. Ako, Inke Kayong Talasuyo, Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.